It's been a big week, you guys. We've got a new president in the Oval Office, but I've been feeling a little bit off. It just seems like the monotony of the days is starting to take its toll on me.
They just go round and round.
Wake up, do some work out, play some video games, watch a movie, and then start it all over again.
Round and round. You know.
Yeah. Got a little different style to the vlog this week. I'm gonna take you guys out on an adventure that I went on with Rylie. We went camping in the Mojave National Preserve, but I wanna do it a little differently. I'm gonna show you guys what we did, but also bring a little bit of my own commentary. Like I said, I've been feeling a little bit off, so we'll get into that more and more, but right now, let's jumpstart this adventure. Here we go. Welcome back to the vlog, ladies and gentlemen. We are in beautiful Riverside, California.
Yeah, sure.
Just kidding. Riverside's great. It's great. Ooh, I gotta get off the road here because we are picking up Rylie and heading camping to the Mojave National Preserve. It's time to leave the doom and gloom and division behind and just get some nature therapy. Hi!
What are you doing here?
Oh, I'm here.
What a pleasant surprise.
That's right, I beat you. So are you ready to go camping?
So ready.
Glamping?
I've been waiting all day at work, counting down the hours.
So when we took off for the park, both of us were excited, but kind of in a mood. You know when you just want something to be perfect, but deep down you're kind of feeling a little bit on edge. That's exactly what happened. But the beauty of being around loved ones is you have the opportunity to come as you are and become more present for the experience ahead. All right, guys, so we found our spot. We are off one of these little roads. We are on a spot that has been used before. I'm gonna get the fire started for this lady, and then I'm gonna get everything else built. Look at this, I got the bed set up. We've got the lights in here. We got the fire going. I'm about to join Rylie over there. And check this out, wait till you see this.
It's our poop hall.
It's our poop hall. Boom, look at this. Full bathroom setup. You know, we are roughing it, but hey, if you can bring some of the comforts from home, why not? So we are all set up. I'm gonna join Rylie over by the fire. So around the fire that night, we ended up sharing some parts of our individual stories that were a little more vulnerable. And at first I was thinking like, no, we're supposed to be having fun. I wanna be in the experience. And then I realized that this was the experience. There's such a blessing and beauty to having someone in your life, whether it's a family member, friend, or significant other, that you can be vulnerable with and really bond through difficult moments and conversations. I wouldn't have had it any other way. All right, good morning, guys. It is a beautiful day out here in the desert. You can finally see what we got going on here. We're starting with coffee, and I want to give a shout out to my roommate Cole for this brand new table. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, we're going to make some breakfast burritos, and I'm going to take you through that whole process. Is it good?
Better than Taco Bell.
I love Taco Bell, so I'm taking that as a compliment. We've packed up camp here and we're loaded up in the car, and now it is time to get the adventure started. Our first stop is gonna be the lava tube cave.
I am ready. Let's do this.
Okay, we are pulling up to the lava tube and there are a lot of people.
Where's your sock? Put on my face.
Oh yeah, right here. I made a mask out of a sock. Put it on, show
Don't
everyone.
worry, it's clean. Pretty stylish, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what a sock on your face looks like. Not gonna lie, you guys, I was a little bummed out to see so many people at the lava tube. Number one, it's an enclosed cave in a COVID hotspot, but also because of the pandemic, all the services in the park have basically been shut down. It worried me just a little bit to see so many people with very few rangers out there in the park. Definitely a reminder that we need to respect these places at all times, but especially right now when services are limited because of COVID. How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Yeah.
Lead the way, Juan. Okay.
No stitches.
I feel like I'm in Smeagol's lair.
Yeah, right? What do you think?
That was really spectacular.
It's pretty cool, right?
Really, that was. There's a bee following me right now.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh!
This is the reality, folks.
So cool. I've never been in anything like that. I've been in caves, but I've never been in like, lava caves.
Even though there were a lot of people, it was cool to just get in there. The lighting was beautiful. The beam of light was unreal. So now that we are out of the lava tube, I think we're gonna try to get away from all the people again. And we're definitely gonna be heading towards the sand dunes. So I mentioned vulnerability earlier, and something that I've been learning recently is that vulnerability is so much more than just sharing your thoughts and emotions. I can do that all day, but what's much harder is letting someone see the fullness of who I am. So on our way to the sand dunes, Rylie and I stopped off to climb some rocks and just sort of take in the beauty of the desert. And she's been asking me for so long to play guitar and to sing for her. And I have not done it in the 4 months or so that we've been together because it's just so hard for me to reveal that side of myself. But when you're in a relationship, you got to share some of that stuff with your partner. And so I decided to get out the guitar and sing for her. She loved it. In fact, she teared up a little bit because it meant so much to her. And in return, that made me feel good, and it made me feel closer to her as well. Okay, guys, we made it to the Kelso sand dunes. They are absolutely massive.
It was a bumpy ride here.
Yeah, I did.
Very bumpy. He couldn't see anything.
Because we were going right into the sun. I didn't shoot it. I should have. She was getting car sick.
Yeah. Thought I was gonna have to hurl for a second.
But we made it just in the nick of time as the sun is going down.
We're gonna roll down these sand dunes, aren't we, Jack?
No, we are not.
No?
No, I'm not getting sand all up in my bum.
All up in your crevasse.
Yeah. Not today. We have the Purple Mountains Majesty right there. We're gonna take some pics. Let's get you in here. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Mwah.
So Jack and I are just leaving the sand dunes right now. Got a little chilly, but just check out how beautiful this is. It's pretty stunning. Sad to go back to reality tomorrow, but until then, Jack and I are gonna go build a fire, maybe have some hazy IPAs, and yeah, just finish off the night strong.
All right, guys, that basically does it for our trip to the Mojave Preserve. We ended up going back to camp, putting the cameras away for the most part, and just being extra present in the moment. Went on one last hike, took a couple more pictures, and then headed back into the city. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this new style. I may start doing more videos like this where I give some insight into what's happening. So if you like it, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys are well wherever you're at, that you're staying safe and healthy. And remember, let's keep living with peace, love, and always keep that pursuit alive. See you next week.